Most creators are wasting hours editing videos, when YouTube now has built-in AI tools that can literally cut your workload in half. And the crazy part? Most small creators don't even know these tools exist. Imagine creating a YouTube video in minutes, not hours. No complicated editing, no expensive software. Just type what you want, and YouTube's AI does the rest. Welcome to Sir David, the AI teacher, where I make AI and digital tools simple for beginners and creators.
Sir David, the AI teacher, for beginners and creators on the way. Welcome to the channel. Come and learn with me. Simple AI tutorials for you and me.
YouTube just released a powerful new AI tool inside YouTube Studio. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use YouTube's AI tools to create and edit videos faster. Even if you're a beginner, even if you run a faceless channel. And watch until the end, because I'll also show you how to combine AI with SEO, so your videos don't just get made fast. They get discovered fast. Let's get into it.
Welcome to the channel. Come and learn with me. Simple AI tutorials for you and me.
YouTube is no longer just a video hosting platform. It's becoming a creator operating system. Inside YouTube Studio, there are now AI-powered features designed to help you. These include the brand new VO3 Fast and Edit with AI tools. These are to help creators achieve the following. 1. Generate video ideas. 2. Improve titles and descriptions. 3. Suggest thumbnails. 4. Edit content faster. 5. Automatically create captions. And even enhance discoverability. This is powerful for 3 types of creators. 1. Beginners who feel overwhelmed. 2. Faceless channel creators. 3. Busy creators who want to scale. If you're in the UK, USA, Canada, Ghana, Kenya, or anywhere in Europe, this is especially powerful because production costs are rising and AI helps you compete globally. Now, before we dive in, let me be clear. These tools are rolling out gradually in 2026. Not every creator has them yet, including me. But when they arrive in your studio, this is exactly how you'll use them. So, what are these tools? VO3 Fast is YouTube's AI model designed to instantly generate video clips from text prompts. It's optimized for shorts, fast, smooth, and creative. Edit with AI, on the other hand, takes your raw footage and automatically polishes it. It adds captions, transitions, and even background music. Together, they give every creator a free AI-powered studio right inside YouTube. Think of it as your personal editor and video generator, built into the platform. Now here's how you'll find it once it's available. Inside YouTube Studio, under the Create menu, you'll see an option for shorts. Within that workflow, VO3 Fast will appear as a choice. Step 1. Type your idea. For example, a sunrise over Nairobi City with motivational text. Step 2. Choose a style: cinematic, vlog, or educational. Step 3. Click Generate. In seconds, you'll see a preview of your AI-made video. Save it, and you're ready to go. Remember, if you don't see this option yet, it simply means YouTube hasn't activated it for your account. But this is the process once it arrives. Next, let's talk about Edit with AI. This tool will appear when you upload raw footage or select clips from your camera roll. You'll see an option called Edit with AI. Step 1. Upload your footage. Step 2. Choose your editing style. Fast Cut is great for shorts. Story Mode works for vlogs and tutorials. And Auto Captions with music is perfect for accessibility and engagement. Step 3. Let the AI polish your draft. Review it, adjust transitions if needed, and publish. Again, this feature is rolling out gradually, but once it's in your studio, this is how it works. YouTube's AI tools also come with advanced features. You can upload up to 3 images, and the AI will build a video around them. You can replace plain walls with AI-generated backgrounds using green screen. You can even combine multiple prompts for layered storytelling. And every AI-generated clip comes with synthed watermarking, so viewers know it's AI-assisted. These features are designed to give you creative freedom while keeping transparency. Best practices and limitations. Here are some best practices. Always use clear descriptive prompts. Review AI edits before publishing. Mix AI with your personal footage to keep authenticity. Avoid vague prompts like "make it cool." Be specific. Remember, VO3 Fast is optimized for shorts, not long-form videos. And while edit with AI is powerful, it may miss subtle storytelling choices. That's where your creativity comes in. Think of AI as your assistant, not your replacement. Let's imagine a real example. I type a sunrise over Nairobi with text. Keep rising, keep shining. VO3 Fast generates the clip. Edit with AI adds captions and upbeat music. The final result? A polished motivational short ready to upload. Even though I don't have the tool yet, this is the exact workflow you'll follow once it's available in your studio. Now let me walk you through how to combine AI with SEO so your videos don't just get made fast, they get discovered fast. Step 1. Go to YouTube Studio. Open YouTube Studio. Go to the Create section. When uploading your video, pay attention to AI suggestions that appear in title recommendations, description optimization, and tags suggestions. YouTube now analyzes your content automatically. This means you don't have to guess keywords anymore, but you still need strategy. Step 2. Use AI title assistance. When entering your title, YouTube often suggests variations. Don't just accept the first suggestion. Instead, ask yourself, is this emotional? Is this clear? Is it clickable? Does it include a searchable phrase? AI helps you refine, but you control the psychology. For example, instead of how to use AI tools, use how to use YouTube AI tools to create videos fast 2026 guide. Specific, clear, benefit-driven. Step 3. AI description optimization. YouTube now suggests description enhancements, but here's the professional move. Make sure your first 2 lines contain primary keyword, benefit statement, target audience mention. Why? Because the first 2 lines affect search visibility and click intent. Step 4. Automatic captions and accessibility. Turn on auto captions, then review them. Correct mistakes. Why this matters? Better retention, better accessibility, better global reach, better indexing. AI captions increase watch time, especially for viewers watching silently on mobile. Practical example workflow. Let's say you want to create a faceless tutorial. Here's a simple AI-powered workflow. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to generate your script. Step 2. Use AI voice generation if you're not recording yourself. Step 3. Upload to YouTube. Step 4. Use YouTube AI suggestions for title and description refinement. Step 5. Add AI-generated captions. Now compare that to old workflow. Manual script, manual editing, manual captioning, manual optimization. AI reduces production time by 30 to 50%. That means you can post more consistently. And consistency feeds the algorithm. How to combine AI with SEO, very important. Here's where most creators fail. They use AI, but they ignore SEO strategy. AI does not replace keyword research. Before uploading, search your topic in YouTube search bar. Look at autocomplete suggestions. Those suggestions equals real search demand. Then use AI to structure your content around those keywords. This creates search traffic plus suggested traffic. That's how channels grow sustainably. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Letting AI write robotic titles. Always humanize. Mistake 2. Over-automating creativity. AI is a tool. You are the strategist. Mistake 3. Ignoring audience retention. AI can generate content, but you must add hooks, add pattern interrupts, add storytelling. Remember, YouTube rewards watch behavior, not automation. Future of AI on YouTube. In 2026 and beyond, AI will become standard. Creators who learn it early will scale faster. Creators who ignore it will struggle. This is not about replacing creativity. It's about amplifying it. And that's how YouTube's built-in AI tools, Veo 3 Fast and Edit with AI will help you create videos in minutes. Whether you're making shorts, tutorials, or vlogs, these tools give you speed, creativity, and freedom. Remember, they're rolling out gradually in 2026. So if you don't see them yet, don't worry, they're coming. If this video helped you understand how to use YouTube AI tools strategically, don't just watch and leave. Subscribe right now. Because on this channel, we don't just talk about growth, we build systems that grow. And before you go, if you want to know the 5 SEO secrets to grow your YouTube channel, I've already created a full step-by-step tutorial on that. Click that video on your screen right now. Because remember, no clicks means no growth. I'll see you inside the next one. Stay consistent, stay strategic, and keep building.
The AI teacher for beginners and creators on the way. Welcome to the channel.